The term cell cycle is defined as the cycle of events which occur inside a cell is starting from first cell division, when two daughter cells are formed, until the next division. Cell cycle is divided into two phases: a long interphase and a short mitotic phase. The interphase is divided into three phases: G1, S and G2 phase. G1 is the first gap phase. When the parent cell divides and forms two daughter cells, these two daughter cells enter into G1 phase, which is the gap phase, or it is the first resting phase. In this phase, the cell rests and there is no synthesis of DNA, only synthesis of proteins and RNA it takes place. After G1 phase, the cell enters into S phase, which is called synthetic phase. In this phase, the DNA replication occurs, and after completion of S phase, the amount of DNA present inside a cell becomes double. After S phase, the cell enters into G2 phase, which is a second resting phase or second gap phase, and in this phase, synthesis of proteins and RNA takes place, and the cell prepares itself to enter into mitotic phase. After G2 phase, the cell enters into mitosis, which is divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. After telophase, when the nucleus divides into two, cell division or division of cytoplasm occurs, and the parent cell divides to form two daughter cells. There is another phase which is called G0 phase or quiescence. When a body of organism, it requires new cells, then it secretes cell division promoting factors which promote cell division inside the cell. So when the body requires new cells, then the cells present in G1 phase, they enter into S phase and they continue the cell cycle. But when the body of the organism, it does not require new cells, then it does not secrete these factors. Under such conditions, the cells present in G1 phase, they enter into G0 phase, which is quiescence. In this phase, the cell grows, but it does not divide. It loses the capacity of cell division and it remains there until the rest of its life. But when the body again requires new cells, then it secretes cell division promoting factors, and then the cells present in G0 phase, they enter into G1 phase and they continue the cell cycle.